Hi all of you, hope you guys are great and welcome back once again to my channel. So let me show you that what we're going to build in this video. So here I have a button on my screen. So the moment I over my mouse, you will see this nice animated fade away over effect. So the moment you over, you will have this nice over effect, and the moment I will click, it will come down. So the idea of this style I got from my recent project which I'm working on right this moment. So this is the e-commerce website I'm building from scratch. So it's going to be a full stack e-commerce tutorial where I will show you that how you can able to design this complete e-commerce website. Then we will build the API and we'll add the content dynamically. Then we'll upload it on a hosting platform from where everybody can access. So this is the one I'm working right this moment. So let me give you that what are the things I have worked so far into this project. Then I will show you that how you can build that button. And if you want to jump straight away to the button, there is a timeline in the description, so you can click and you can watch from there. So as you can see, the moment you click here, you will have this nice mega menu options. You will have this nice mega menu option. The moment you over your mouse, you will have this amazing effect. If you click, it will close, and you notice one thing, these icons are changing on base of this mega menu. So these are the one functionality which I've included. If I click here, this is the slider you will get where you will have all the cards, and right now nothing is happening because I have coded hard code. We're going to do this all dynamically. So let me open in a desktop mode, and this is how it will look on a desktop. So nice over effect we are getting on this, and this is the category section, nice effects, and this is the home sections, and this is the button which we going to learn in this video, that how we can build this. So right now I'm working, the hardest part is completed, which is the header, because these small components are always very complicated. So this is what I have been working on, and from there I got the idea of this button. So let me show you how you can build it. So let's come here, let's make it side by side, and here I have already coded this. So let's remove all the codes which I have already coded. So I can simply come here and I can remove it, and here I have taken the button. So let me remove that. Let me do it from scratch for all of you. Let me save it, and right now I don't have anything in this. So what I can do, I can simply take a button, and in that I can assign a class hero btn, and I will assign one more class called btn the white, and this is going to be the color of the button. So that's why I'm assigning white. And the reason why I did in this way, because in this website all the buttons have a different background color. So this one has a black, or it's actually a transparent, and this one has a primary color. So that's why I'm taking this names. So what I can do, let's come here, I can do one thing. So let me grab the button hero btn, and let's do some settings. So before I do that, let's do the setting on the body, and let's make a background color is going to be completely black, and top is going to be 50%, and left is going to be 50%, translate is going to be minus 50% from x-axis and minus 50% from the y-axis. If I save, nothing will happen. Okay, it's happened, background color is changed. And now to make this button center, all I have to do is, let me type the text here. So I can say shop by CATEGORY. If I save and reload, nothing is happening because here I have to assign the, I just keep in this way, I'm not going to change. Let's change that. So let's assign a background color to white for a time being, and let's save it and reload the page. Nothing is happening. What's the matter? Let's see. Okay, so we are assigning the color to the body element, not to that. So not a big deal. And let's assign a position is going to be absolute. So here we have our button. Okay, so that's okay. Now let's come to the button, and what I can do, the very first thing I can say background, I can remove the background to transparent. Background is transparent. I can provide the padding to be 1 rem from top and bottom and 2 rem from left and right. Border radius is going to be 2 rem from all the sides. And what else I can add? So for the timing, let's change the color for the button. So this color is going to be white. So this is how it will look, and the moment you will see that it's already working fine. It's looking quite similar to this one, but we have to add this animations. So the moment I will click here, it will have this nice effect. Because of the border, I'm not removing here. Provide a cursor is going to be pointer, and let's provide position is going to be relative, because I want to create a pseudo element at the back of the button. So when I over my mouse, I will get that animated effect. So for that I'm doing it. But before we create the pseudo element, let's do one more thing. So what I can do, I'll take the hero button, and I want to add over effect on that. So over effect, and I want to transform it on the y-axis. So it's going to be 3x 3 pixels. So the moment I hover my mouse, you can see it's going up, but we are getting this nice effect, but it's not smooth. So for making smooth, what we can do, we can set the transition. So transition is going to be all 0.2 milliseconds, and right now we'll have this animated effect. And I want to do one more thing, so I can take this, I can simply replicate this, and here I can say active. So the moment I will click on the button, I want this button to come down. So if I'm taking my button, it's going up, but the moment I will click, it will come down. As you can see, it's coming down. Okay, not coming. So here I have to change the value to 1 so it will come down. So I can take it, and you can see we're getting this nice effect. So it's looking great. And now let's assign a color to the button and to the color. So what I can do here, I can take that BTN WHITE white, and background color is going to be complete black. You can make it transparent, you can make it black, but I'm going with black. And text color is going to be this complete white. So I can come here and I can remove this from my global. So right now we're getting this nice over effect, everything's working fine, and we have this class in our button, so everything's working fine. And now we can work on our before element. So what I will do, I'll take the hero and I'll create a before pseudo element. So first thing is going to be content, and this will be empty, and the second one is going to be width 100%, height 100%, position is going to be absolute. And the reason why I'm assigning position absolute, because I want to place the button right behind this button, and that's why here I have provided this position relative. So wherever I want to move, it will, so this pseudo element will move in respect of this button, not in respect of DOM. So that's why I have assigned relative, and this one is absolute. I can come here, let's come out of that. I'll take a hero button, and I'll take the background color to be, let's say, white, and background color white. And the reason why I have taken this background color separately, not in the main one, because I want to make this code reusable. This project has a lot of buttons in with different backgrounds, so that's why I'm going in this way. If you want, you can simply paste your background color here as well, not a big deal in that. So it's working fine. Now I want to place this right behind this button, so I can say top is going to be, let's say, 0, left is going to be 0, and save it. Border, let's come here, border radius is going to be 2 rem, and it's right behind that. And I can say transition all 4 milliseconds. So I will have the new smooth effect, and Z index is going to be minus, so this button will go at the back of the main buttons. As you can see, the moment I'm hovering, we are getting this nice white over effect. So it's working fine. So what I can do right this moment, so let's come back here, and this time I'll get this hero on over. I'll take the before element, and I want to transform this. I used scale 1.4. I'm scaling that, and let's provide opacity to 0. So nothing's happening. Okay, here is a mistake. So it's only BE, so I have typed full name before. So if I do, as you can see, we are getting this nice effect. If you click, it will come down. If you take it up, you will have this one. So this is how you can create your creative button. So these are the things will create a impressive styling into your web application. So this is how you can do it and create this button. So this is a very short tutorial where I wanted to show you that this is how you can create your button, and which I'm working on my e-commerce project, and where I'm building this all styling things. So I thought let's make a video on this, and very soon I will upload the video of this complete project. First, let me complete the entire tutorial on the templates. Once we're done with the template, then we'll move to the API, and all the things will be provided to you, so don't need to worry about it. As you can see, nice over effect we are having here. So that's it for a while. So if you want to get this code, simply visit to theauthorzen.com, and to my project section there you will find the code of this project, and you can have a look from there. So for the time being, that's it.